This digital double-door safe box is the best safe box to help you store your item. It is built with heavy-duty steel construction. This unit can keep cash, jewelry, treasures, documents, and other valuables safe. This digital double-door safe box is an excellent choice for convenience offices, homes, stores, hotels, etc. The installation is simple, the installation hole is reserved, and only 4 bolts are needed to fix it. LCD screen displays safety and power status. Jewelry safe box is ideal for storing relevant documents, jewelry, cash, guns, and other valuables, ideal for home, hotel, or office use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Premium material. Home safe box is made of sturdy solid steel, with movable door bolts and hidden hinges for added safety. Number 2. Keypad and magnetic lock. Simple programmable electronic lock and magnetic lock for the automatic lock. Safe box can be easily locked and unlocked by entering security codes. Number 3. 2-in-1 design. A 2-in-1 large capacity independent safe with a gray carpet cushion on the bottom inside to better protect your belongings. Number 4. Stable construction. The security safe box is constructed of heavy-duty steel structure, which can resist the impact of hands and mechanical tools. The inner and outer surfaces are all powder-coated, and the bottom of the interior is covered with gray carpet pads, including anchor bolts. Number 5. Safe and securely. The user can use the attached key or a custom numeric code programmed by yourself. The system can be changed indefinitely. A red password reset button is provided on the back of the door. The magnetic lock can automatically lock the safe without any key or password. Number 6. Thoughtful design. Lock safe box includes 2 independent safes to enhance security. The easy-to-use deposit slot in the table allows you to deposit at the end of the day quickly. Number 7. Ease to install. There are pre-drilled holes in the digital safe box, which can be better fixed on the floor, wall, or cabinet. 4 1.5 volts AA batteries can power the safe. Number 8. Various application. Safe box for the home can ensure the safety of cash, jewelry, guns, documents, and other valuables. This digital double-door safe is an excellent choice for convenient offices, homes, shops, restaurants, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.